Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can know if your messages are being ignored on Messenger. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Facebook Messenger and send a person a message. So you can see that I sent this person a message and you can see that the tick is fully completed and you can see that, and I am going to send also a message to another person, but here you can see that the tick mark is white from the internal side. It means that this person is ignoring my messages. Might be he restrict me on Messenger, so that's why he is unable to see my message. But as you can see that in this conversation, you can see that this message is delivered to that person, but in this conversation you can see that only sent is shown, not delivered. So this is a process by which you can see your messages are being ignored on Messenger. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.